And welcome back to the weather block. Mike is still out for the evening, so we'll give him one more day of rest. Let's get right to the weather. It is getting better out there, slowly but surely, getting back to our normal routine. Checking out our almanac for the day. As you can see, our normal high is 39 degrees. We didn't quite make it there, but we did see temperatures in the 20s. Not bad. Our overnight low, 14 above, so that was pretty good. And a record high set in 1990, 55 degrees. Record low of 19 below, set in 1949. Daylight sunrise was at 6:38 a.m., sunset 9:11 p.m., giving us a total daylight hours of 14 hours, 32 minutes. That is another gain of 7 minutes over yesterday. Taking a look around the state, as you can see, Barrow's still in the minus category. However, Fort Yukon 18, Fairbanks 15, and when I said 20, I did see that on a sign on a coffee hut, so don't take that for for the official weather. Right there was 15. In the Anchorage Bowl, 32 degrees, pretty nice for them, and 43, Juneau, Ketchikan 44. Things drying out over there after they've had some precipitation over the past couple of days. On the west coast, looking nice to the north, 18, 19 Bethel, but Cold Bay still seeing some snowy conditions mixed with rain as well. So all in all, not a bad look for the state as a whole. Taking a look at the lower 48, there we go, sliding on down, and as you can see, things are also drying up down the lower 48, as you can see in the Pacific Northwest, just overcast and no more rain and slush for them. On the west coast, temperature is actually perking back up. San Francisco, 78 degrees in spring, are you kidding? That's perfect, we'll take it. Vegas, 88, 94 in Phoenix, and as you look toward the Midwest, Minneapolis 54 and Chicago, nice and toasty at 60. Dallas looking good. Hopefully they can get some moisture down there as well, because getting into the spring season, farmers got to get their crops in, and of course rain is appreciated there. Dried out in the Gulf states as well. And then on the East Coast, well, not looking too bad. There is a slight storm system moving up the coastline, but it shouldn't be affecting them too much longer, maybe another 12 to 15 hours. Miami, nice at 90 degrees. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the satellite. And as you can see, there's that storm system I said that is moving out of the Gulf states right there, and it will affect the northern Florida a little bit. And then that big, long pressure system right up there affecting the East Coast and blowing out toward the waters. So things looking up for the East Coast. Okay, warmest air mass of the year going to the west coast here. You can see 10 to 20 degrees above normal. That's what's given those temperatures to Vegas and Los Angeles and Sacramento. And like I said, San Francisco, almost 80 degrees. That's pretty high for this time of year. Going to go ahead and take a look back at Alaska for tomorrow. Our forecast for the northern part of the state, sunny skies for Barrow and Nome, mostly cloudy at Fort Yukon. Temperatures ranging from 7 below in Barrow to Nome at a nice 18. Taking a look in the interior, this is what you're most concerned about. Slow warming trend, but another day like today, Fairbanks 19 degrees, Healy 20, and Delta 17. Could be some overcast and maybe a few spits of rain here and there. Taking a look down at Juneau, Ketchikan, rain and snow showers move back into the picture. Ketchikan a little warmer, 44, so they'll get the rain, and that's going to continue throughout the next 2 days. Taking a look over southwest, mostly cloudy at Cold Bay, but warm temps, 40 above. Bethel 24, and Kodiak looking nice and overcast with partly sunny skies at 40 degrees. All right, now taking a look at, if I can get that clicker going, oh, we're going to go through this whole thing again. Really nice, but we're going to do it fast forward style because we have the time. And this is what happens when Mike is not here. All right, very good. Now we'll get back into the Anchorage Bowl area and show you that snow showers in Valdez, otherwise sunny for Anchorage and Homer, so pretty good temperatures for them. For us tonight, let's take a look at the forecast. Clouds clearing by morning, a little cooler in the overnight, 1 above for the expected low. Now taking a look at tomorrow, 19 above, getting warmer, partly cloudy by afternoon, but it's going to feel cool because of those winds. And taking a look at the 5-day forecast, there we go. Now we're starting to get back into temperatures that are usual for this time of year. Thursday looks to be the last of our cold days of the work week, but that's still a 32-degree temperature for a high. Then into the weekend, in the 40s, lows, overnight lows, going pretty nice, all the way from 0, rebounding to 20 degrees by the beginning of next work week.